I feel like I'm in one of those back roads that goes like Hollywood to the backstage rooms. We are at the Las Vegas Convention Center, about to walk into SEMA. Yo, this is crazy. There's nothing's really like set up yet, but like, this is wild. I feel like I'm like backstage. Well, I mean, I kind of am, but like this huge, ginormous building is one of, I think, 3 or 4 buildings. And this is one of the smallest ones. So the actual published show isn't for like another 2 or 3 days. It's gonna look completely different from what it is right now, and it's already looking like wild. Right in front of me is the new Z that we have the body kit for. That's all you get to see for now. I've barely been recording. I've been super busy, and realistically, I really can't go around and show all the cars here at SEMA just because there's so much. Like, I'll show you the map right now. So this is where we're at, the North Hall, okay? And then we have all of these other buildings. I kind of forgot what they're called. There's like the Central Hall, there's the South Hall. I also unfortunately have to work my booth as well because I am here with my company, CMST Tuning. I very shortly am going to be presenting the Nissan Z to you guys. I'm doing kind of like a big showcase here. And now, the best microphone you've ever heard in your life. All right, behind the scenes, we got Mr. Dedrick.
What up, guys?
The owner of the Nissan Z with the wide body kit that is in front of me. We're about to do a big showcase. We're getting all mic'd up right now. And yeah, let's get the show on the road. And after mic testing, Dedrick's mic still didn't work.
What's going on, guys? My name is Dedrick. I just got my new Nissan Z.
So we got Dedrick here. This is the official CMST Tuning X Project wide body kit for the 23 Nissan Z. Dedrick is currently the first person in the United States, in the whole world pretty much, who has the Z kit. So I'm gonna go over you guys the whole kit, everything that comes with it, all the features, all the functions, all the ins and outs. First of all, this is one of the more aggressive kits. There is also Street Hunters, there's also Veilside, there's Liberty Walk. This kit does not compare to any of those whatsoever. So we're gonna go over everything's super crazy on this. So we're gonna go everything one by one, and let's get into it. We have this crazy style hood. As you can probably tell, it's kind of sort of like the R34 style JDM, where it kind of has the 4 vents in the middle. We also have this little hump right here that kind of adds aggression. It kind of looks like a vent, but it's not a vent. And the front bumper, a lot of people are saying it's in season because it looks like it has vampire fangs. Yesterday was Halloween, so it kind of looks like it has vampire fangs on here. So following with the bumper, we also have the canards. This is going to help with airflow. Also gives it some little fins, some little aggression on looks. So this is a direct replacement fender. On the side skirts, we also have this big fin that kind of goes all the way up, and it actually has functional vents that go and help cool the tires and the brakes as well. And into the side skirts kind of comes up as this crazy vent that goes right here that actually also helps control the cooling of the tires and the brakes as well. Going back to the quarter panel, we have this crazy quarter panel overlay. You can see the thickness of it right here. It's pretty wild. We also have the carbon fiber gas cover as well. And the only part that's actually not from us that is on this car is the Cybon Carbon trunk hatch, the Cybon Carbon trunk hatch that we have right here. So this is the only piece of the puzzle that is not from us. Basically, we have this duckbill that goes right here, and then this wing actually mounts on top of the duckbill. So it's a spoiler on top of a spoiler, essentially. And following with the rear end, we have this beautiful carbon fiber diffuser. This is the partial carbon fiber wide body kit as well. So some of the parts in here that you see are going to be carbon fiber. We also do have this wonderful roof scoop, which is functional. There's a big vent on the front side, and the air actually gets released on the back side through these smaller vents that then kind of helps direct the airflow to go down the back of the car under the spoiler to help improve downforce. So the last piece of the puzzle is going to be this little partial louver on the side windows. So basically this actually really isn't functional, it's more of looks, but it does add that crazy aggression that kind of helps poke out the car a little bit along with the wide body kit. I believe that's about it that comes with the kit. Also, Dedrick did go with our CMST Tuning custom forged wheels that are 2-piece to kind of go and match the kit. He kind of kept the bronze style, so it kind of gave it the Proto Z look as well, because the Proto Z did come with the bronze wheels with the Proto yellow. And now, what I would call a successful attempt at being a podcast host. How's it going, guys? My name's Hunter over here at CMST Tuning. I'm here joined with Dedrick, the owner of this 2023 Proto Nissan Z.
What's going on, guys? My name is Dedrick Moore, and this is my 2023 Nissan Proto Spec.
So Dedrick actually has the first in the world Project Wide Body CMST Tuning Wide Body Kit for the Nissan Z. We're debuting it here at SEMA 2023, and we're super happy to be here and showcase this car to you guys. So Dedrick, what do you have on your car?
Oh man, I got a lot done. So I want to start obviously with the body kit. It was an amazing kit. It looks just beautiful. So
So I was hit up by these guys through Instagram to be a part of the sponsorship for the SEMA build. As soon as I saw the kit, I won't lie, I thought they were scamming me because it's just one of those kits that when you see it is like one of those ones that never come to fruition. So having the opportunity to be here with this kit compared to all the other kits out there is just amazing. I literally have the best looking Z in the world right now, and I'm the only one with it. So it feels amazing just from that aspect. But we also have the CMST wheels. These things are phenomenal. These things look amazing. I went with the bronze to go with the old school proto spec look. When I got the car, it was with the yellow, with the bronze wheels. So we wanted to bring that back to life. The in-speed brake disc is just ridiculous. This brake kit is amazing compared to the stock kit. Amazing stopping power. I cannot wait to get this thing in the canyons and rip it. We have air suspension, intakes, exhaust, downpipes. It's fully tuned by my boy Sonic Tune. He did an amazing job. The car drives phenomenal. So we just got a lot going on, but we're talking about the kit today, and again, hands down the best kit in the world for this car.
We're very happy to have you on board with us on the debut of this kit, and this kit is available to pre-order right now, and all the individual parts are available to buy as well. So the proto paint is actually on the wide body kit as well, so not just the actual car. So he actually got the proto paint from Nissan and added it to the wide body to kind of keep the proto vibe going on. So it turned out super, super great. But Dedrick, what I want to know is, what is your favorite part of the body kit?
That's a hard question, but I will probably say the rear end. It's so thick, so wide. I love the way it looks. The body lines and the angles that you can get from pictures and videos are just phenomenal from the back end.
Awesome, awesome. And then also, what I was saying before we do finish up is, what are the wheel specs on these?
We're running a 19 by 9.5 in the front, so we get good clearance, no rubbing or anything like that on the inside. And then we're running a 19 by 12 in the rear, so a lot of grip back there.
All right, Dedrick, thank you very much for your time, and thank you for being a part of this presentation.
Thank you for having me, and I appreciate the opportunity.
Out here. It is officially the end of SEMA. We've been here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and today is finally Friday. It's been super busy. I've had like no time to actually get content while I'm here because I've been working our booth, and it's just been super busy talking to people. SEMA, there's no way to actually go and film it and share it. There's way too much, and you really have to come and see it. And this year was actually the first time to actually let public people come and view it for 2 days, today and yesterday. So it was very, very wild. But I'm very glad I got to get the experience to come here, and I can't wait to come next year.